So loud. You rolling? Oh my God. Yeah? We're at NGMP, guys, and you just saw some of the lineup. That is really cool. It's super wet and rainy out here. We just made it to the end. Here they go. Oh, that's so cool. Damn, do that GT3 RS. You can see all the cars heading around for the victory lap. They're not going fast or anything, but after they do this lap, I guess they're gonna all head over here to the pits and the parking lot. We're gonna go in and check out some of the cars, say what's up to Stefan, check out his car, and yeah, it's pretty cool. So we're not gonna be able to get on the track today. We're here for kind of networking a little bit and also just a little vlog for the day. So pretty cool. My girl's cold, so let's go, come on. Dang, you hear him? Look, babe, look out there. That's the whole track. It's pretty cool, huh? Oh. Next time it'll be nicer out. Okay, let's go say hi. Look at this guy. Yo, yo!
What's up, bro? How you doing?
Good, how are you? Good to see you too.
What's up, Ethan? Hey. See you, man.
How was it?
It was good.
Slippery?
Oh, well, that was just a parade lap, yeah. But I've only gotten like 3 laps in.
Oh, really?
The first session, I didn't do the first session because I had to swap my tire.
Yeah.
I put the granny tires on.
Oh, okay.
The originals.
Oh.
Those are just ridiculously not good.
Oh, yeah. That makes
So I
sense.
missed the first session. Second session, somebody crashed. Then our third session, I got like 3 laps in, somebody crashed.
Oh,
so
that sucks.
hoping to get some more.
Yeah, definitely. Oh, this is so cool.
It's neat. It's a neat,
Yeah.
neat thing. Knew a customer who was selling, who had bought a bunch of them,
Right.
and he had 100 miles on it, $400,000,
400K?
400K for that.
Oh, smokes.
What's up? I'm glad you guys can make it.
Yeah, me too.
When this rain stops,
Yeah.
it looks like it's going to be clearing up.
So when are you going back out?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was on these. We did a orientation lap.
Yeah.
Which you can't go over 60 miles an hour.
Oh, okay.
It's all yellow flag.
Yeah.
It's slow.
Yeah.
I was hydroplaning at 50 miles an hour. On the
Holy
straight.
crap.
On the straight.
Oh, that's scary.
And
Yeah, you needed to
So
swap.
I brought my.
Good thing you brought
I
them.
brought the granny tire.
So you got the Pilot Sport 4S on these, and these are the
These are the Cup 2s.
Cup 2s. Okay.
And a guy, he had a white Porsche, he was
Yeah.
in my group. He crashed. He was driving these tires.
Oh,
And
so
he
you're
crashed
like, get them
Porsche,
off.
Crushed into the barrier.
Oh, that
Not
sucks.
horrible, but
Yeah.
I think he left.
There's some pretty sick cars out here. We're gonna do a little walk around. We're gonna try to get on that racing sim.
He does a nice event. It's not just...
Yeah, it's really cool.
Yeah, he's got some...
So this is, oh, okay. That's so nice.
I've been backing in there like,
That's sick.
how much better.
Oh, I know. Yeah. It still looks good.
I haven't even got anything up to temperature.
Are you serious?
Yeah, the tires, I think
Wow.
I've gotten up to 60 degrees.
Wow.
They
Okay.
need, they need to be at like 110,
Yeah.
120.
Well, it's hard. How do you do it in the rain?
Not for that.
Yeah. That sucks. I saw it's a rain or shine. So it's like you just make the best of it. If anything, you come out,
My
have fun,
instructor
drive.
was like, this is good.
Good practice.
Because, yes.
That makes
because
sense.
You can get, why not?
Because there's like waivers and stuff. Yeah, everything has to be filled out. Like you can't just go. Cool. So let's check out some more of these cars. A nice little M4 over here. I don't know what this looks like. A Boxster or a Cayman Boxster. We got a Weissach Porsche Spider RS. I guess it's a Cayman or Boxster. And then we got a nice little another GT3 RS in the I don't know what color green this is. That is beautiful. Good old classic Corvette. Oh, it's the Z06. This thing is beautiful. What do you guys think about the orange? We got the matte stealth black PPF wrap. Oh my God. I'm not like the biggest fan of the new C8 Corvette, but I think this one looks really menacing. And then we got a nice little, I think it's another 3RS in white. It's beautiful, bro.
Thanks, buddy.
Mm-hmm. What year is this? 15. Really nice.
Thanks, sir.
And what do you got done to it?
Totally stock.
Yeah, nice. How is it on these tires out there? Are you getting enough?
Slippery. Yeah,
Yeah.
my friend's here with his, he has a similar car. A little
Yeah.
newer, like a couple years newer.
Okay.
And he like lost her right in front of me and like had to dive bomb at the last second.
No.
Yeah, it was a little sketchy.
What was your name?
Dane.
Dan?
Dane.
Oh, Dane. Seth.
Yeah, man.
Nice to meet you as well.
This was sort of like a bucket list thing for me.
Yeah.
But I'm like at heart, I'm like a early '90s like Nissan and Honda guy.
Yeah, 100%.
So like,
we just did a giveaway on a '98 Honda Civic.
oh,
Just
sick.
like, you know,
Dude,
clean
my
little.
friend
Oh
would
yeah.
love his-
You gonna bring it back out after? Or are you done for the day?
I don't. I mean, this kind of rain is crazy.
I know. Yeah.
It was
kind
kind of like letting up for a little bit, but now it
Yeah.
looks like it's every single time.
Yeah, I love it. That's sick. I'm Seth.
Oh, Luke.
Lou, nice to meet you.
man.
Yeah, beautiful Porsche. I love it. How was it out there?
Sketchy.
Yeah.
That's exactly what he said.
Lost the end of the front. I mean, I went fully around.
Yeah.
Yeah.
At least
Oh, you
once,
did?
Maybe twice. I don't know.
Jeez.
Yeah, you went and then you tank slapped.
Yeah.
Ah, that's scary.
On the grass.
Nice to meet you guys. Yep, be safe. Another beautiful car right here. Oh my god, the white and green. Probably gonna hear this Porsche start up. This thing will sound sick. It's drying up a little bit now. Trying to get a couple more clips. Woohoo! Beautiful. We got a beautiful 911 here and a couple BMWs. Reminds me of my old Silverstone E90 M3 and E46, another E92, and having a good time out here. We got probably gonna shoot over there and get some more clips of the cars flying by on the track. The weather's clearing up a little bit, and we had some really cool conversations with some really cool brands. So getting some cool, networking connections and just making some friends out here. It's been a minute since I've been to an event like this. You know, the season's coming up fast, and we got a lot of exciting things coming to the YouTube channel. And yeah, man, this is what we do. This is what Simple Builds is all about. So let's keep walking around, talking to some people, get some shots of some cool cars. This thing sounds like a supercharged. Got a welded diff. Sound like it was skipping. The ratchet strapped wing. Finished first. This is the license plate. There's a new G87 M2 over here too. I don't know if we got to check that thing out. It looks sick. We're gonna jump on the racing sim a little later, but let's go get some more clips of these cars on the track. And let's check out this McLaren real quick in the M2. Beautiful cars. I think this is a 720S. No, I don't know. I don't remember what this model is. The thing is sick. I love the silver. Look at this. G87 M2. It looks really good. These grew on me a ton. Looks so nice. We wanted to come out and check out some of the cars, say what's up to some people, make some friends,
So this is actually also another business of ours.
Okay, cool. Wow, it's beautiful. This reminds me of the one in Manhattan, Classic Car Club. Are you the owner of this?
My brother and I actually.
How you doing?
Yeah, you guys are YouTube.
I'm Seth.
Oh, nice. What's up, man? How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Yeah, we were just talking about the cars. It's automotive.
Cars.
Yeah, we do builds and stuff.
Cool.
Yep.
Very nice.
Car builds, giveaways.
Nice.
Kind of like a lot of just community-driven
Remember to
content.
give me something after this. I'm just
100%, man.
Why
100%.
don't you come film an episode at our place?
Absolutely.
Yeah,
I'd love to come check it out.
5-star facility.
Yeah, cool.
Got a heart and soul in it. Or whatever
Yeah.
it is. Use the space. You walk
Yeah.
over anytime.
Oh, that'd be awesome. Yeah, what was your name again?
Harris.
Harris?
Yeah.
Seth.
Seth, nice
Yep.
to meet you, man.
Pleasure
Good luck.
to meet you.
Yeah, you as well. Dennis, nice to meet you guys. Stay tuned for a little shop tour, potentially over there. That's pretty sick. I hope we can get connected with them and, go check out their facility. Looks really cool. I think that would be probably on a second channel. Let me know what you guys think down below. Stefan's in.
Stefan's back. Oh no! Where you come from?
This is the guy everyone's saying, watch out, he's on the track, he's a
Like
menace.
that, huh?
He's a menace,
The
he's running,
humidity
people,
does-
he's running people off the track. In his M2. that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed some of the content, some of the cars. You know, stay tuned for some more stuff on Simple Builds 2, and also check out the main channel. Thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Let's go. It's wet.